Greetings. Happy Thursday evening from Port St. Lucie, Florida. I want to show you the day after a concrete pour at a residential home in Port St. Lucie. The stockpiles of dirt. That's that beach sand. It's that gray and that brown mix. And this is the house pad, the concrete pad, the slab on grade. All this right here was graded a long time ago. Part of land development. It's density tested. The process goes on. The concrete pour happens. All this right here, this is the footings. See how beautiful it looks the next day after that gray, liquid, lumpy stuff. The people that do placement of concrete, they make it look so good. It's that before it becomes beautiful homes like that. Their neighbor. All these beautiful homes here have a foundation like this. And this is their backyard. The nature, the water, the birds, the trees, the sunshine.